everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Roggle's mobile data which is showing no signal. So here's a guide to get your phone back online in Canada. Fix 1. Restart your phone. Try turning your phone off and waiting for 30 seconds before turning it back on. Sometimes this can help. This is listed as step 1 in Roggle's own data troubleshooting flow before any settings changes. Fix 2. Turn off Wi-Fi to confirm it's actually a data issue. Turn Wi-Fi off, then try to browse a few different websites. If browsing works with Wi-Fi turned off, your Wi-Fi connection may be causing the issue, not your mobile data. Fix 3. Confirm cellular data is turned on. On iPhone, go to Settings and select Cellular. From there, go to Toggle Cellular Data On so the switch turns green. On Android, settings, go to connections or network and internet, and then select data usage. Then confirm mobile data is toggled on. Fix 4. Confirm your account status. Confirm your account status. An unpaid balance or account hold can disable data even while voice service still works. Fix 5. Confirm data isn't turned off in MyRogers. Log into MyRogers at rogers.com, select your wireless line, and under Manage My Data, ensure data access is turned on. Also check whether your cellular data limit has been reached or toggle that limit off if it's blocking further usage. Fix 6. Check or reset your internet, which is your APN settings. On Android, you can go to Settings, go to Connections, then go to Mobile Networks. Select Access Point Names, then confirm the correct APN settings are listed. If there's no APN listed, add a new one. On iPhone, go to Settings, select General, then go to Reset, and then select Reset Network Settings. This also resets saved Wi Fi and Bluetooth. Fix 7. Check for a VPN. A VPN on your phone could lead to cellular data issues. Check for settings and then go to General and select VPN to see if one is configured, since this can interfere with your connection. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do the subscribe button.